Hello and welcome back to another video for the Immersive Audio Courses Binaural Listening Assignment. In the previous video, I set up a tone generator here with pink noise so you could do some panning. This video, we're going to play with the binaural settings and play with Dolby's built-in reverb that you hear when listening binaurally. I'm going to make two more aux inputs. And the first one, we might as well name our earlier track Pink. And this one's going to be called Click. And while we're at it, I suppose we should name the third track. So I'll go over and name that Bin, because that'll be our binaural settings control track. With the Click here, we're going to actually put on the Click track plugin, which is under Plugin Instrument Click 2. And there's a lot of clicks here. I would want one that's more broadband than other. I think under Classic Tick. Tick is pretty good here, and I'm going to do both the accented and the unaccented version of it here in Classic Tick. So we got Tick there. That should be fine. And like the previous video, we're going to assign that off to a random object here. So I'm going to put that on object 12 and put it in object mode. And let me just verify I can hear it binaurally in my headphones. And I am hearing it. That's good. So it is working. But on this bin track here, the binaural settings track, it's good to load up the Dolby Atmos, binaural settings. And this is a remote control plugin that controls the settings of inside of the Dolby Atmos renderer. And we're on object 12 here, right? And so object 12, oh, this thing, by the way, the binaural settings needs to be sent to the bed in order to work, which it is by default, so there's no problem there. So I'm using object 12 here. And again, you're not going to hear this. This is something for you to play with, but play that click and change the reverb. Let's try far here. And I totally hear it, and I'm sorry you don't hear it, because that's not the point. The point is for you to play with far, mid, and near. And I do recommend that when you play with these reverbs, you also pan. I think you'll find that it's actually easier to locate behind you with the reverb on. But you know what? I'll let you form your own opinions about whether this reverb sounds good or doesn't. And do some panning above your heads, behind your head, and feel free to play with these binaural settings. And of course, answer the questions in the assignment in Canvas. All right? Have a good day. Bye-bye.